When it comes to paperwork, you're either in one camp or another. You're in the camp where you're super organized, you know where everything is, or you're in the camp where, sounds like a big pain in the butt and you're not sure where your last year W 2 is. Well, you are not alone. And I am going to simplify things for you and give you our what we call honey-do list for what you're going to need for documentation for providing to us when you get pre-approved. My name is Amy DeBusk, and I am a certified mortgage planner. I have been a certified mortgage planner for a very long time, over 2 decades now. And what I'm known best for is making mortgage simple and easy to understand so that your pathway to prosperity unfolds just as planned. And today I'm going to tell you how we need you to present us with your documentation. First of all, we give you a very secured link that you can upload your documents to after we take your application and do a soft pull on your credit. And then you could also email them to us. We take that as well. Or you can drop them off at our office. Our office is in Roseville on Douglas Boulevard in lovely Placer County. And yeah, so first things first, we call it our honey do list just to make things just a little bit more fun. And you've all had a honey do list before. So if you are a W 2 employee and you are getting a first time homebuyer loan, a conventional loan, or FHA loan, or a VA loan, we're going to need typically your last year W 2, maybe 2 years W 2s, depending on how many jobs you've had in the last few years, and most recent pay stubs covering a 30-day span. So if you get paid every 2 weeks, we'll need two most recent pay stubs. And then assets. So we're going to need 2 months bank statements, most recent, from the account that is going to be used for your down payment or closing costs or earnest money deposit. If you're using some money from 401k, or maybe we need that 401k money for a reserve account, we'll also need 2 months bank statements from the 401k account as well. Same go with stocks, bonds, mutual funds, cryptocurrency accounts. You'd need 2 months statements, all pages. Nothing can be blacked out. We need the pages to be clear and all pages consecutively. And it's important that you give us the most recent 2 months. And then copy of your ID will also be required. And there's lots of other little documents that you may or may not be asked for depending on your situation. If you receive child support, we'll need 12 months canceled checks from the receipt of the child support coming into your account. We also will probably need to see 2 years tax returns. So we only need the federal tax returns. We don't need the state, but we do need all pages and all schedules. Now, if you're a self employed borrower and you're doing a full doc loan, we'll need 2 years self employed income taxes and all schedules. So if you have an S Corp or a C Corp, we'll need the corporate tax returns for the last 2 years and your personal tax returns for the last 2 years. And then if you pay yourself on a W 2 or get a pay stub from the company that you own, we'll need the pay stubs and the W 2 as well. Now, if you're sole proprietor, it would just be the last 2 years tax returns. If you're doing a bank statement loan, then we would require 12 months bank statements or possibly 24 months bank statements from the account that receives all of the profit from your business. So there you have it. If you have any other questions about what is needed for your loan to get your official pre-approval letter, because just a quick reminder, we only issue the pre-approval letter after we receive all your documents and we've analyzed those documents for you. So there you have it. Again, if you have any questions, you can always log on to talkingwithamy.com. That's talkingwithamy.com and book a free discovery call today.